So now let's see how we can work around with crop and edge feather effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with those, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then I'm going to go around onto, let's say for example, transform right here. So here you can see that crop is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here, then you can see that crop is applied. And now you can go around and change around the left right here, the top right here as you can see, and get the cropping as you like. So you can go around with right, you can go around with bottom, and then you can work around with these as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can see that edge feather and is an effect over here as well to add in feather as you can see right here as you go around over here and change around the edge. So this is the crop as you can see. Let me just go around and delete it, and you can also go around and add in an edge feather as you can see right here, which lets you change the amount of edge right here, just like this, which allows you to change the amount of feather. So that is what you have right here. And that is how you can work around with crop and edge feather effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.